Hello everyone. Today I will read this ECU. It's a Valeo V40. Normally I don't have the car. If I had the car, I was able to read via OBD2. But if you don't have the car to, let's say, authorize the ECU with immobilizer, you will not able to read it on the bench via CAN communication. So the next option left for me is to read it and write it with KT200 via JTAG mode. It's from the scrapyard. What I will need to do to this ECU, I will need to perform an IMO off. I will perform also the IMO off with the MD Flasher software, but that's a little bit later in this video. First we need to read the data. So let's open the ECU. It was unopened, by me at least. So I'm pushing the cover. It have a lot of glue. It's not really glue, but it's a little bit hard to open. Okay. One side it's ready. The main problem, or not really the main problem, for us, the JTAG port or connector, it's on the other side. So we'll need to get out the PCB completely from the cover. I will put the screwdriver here, pressing. I had a quick look on the board to not have any screws. You need to check really if you have screws or not. In this case was without screws. And we have it. Okay, where's the... Oh, it was open. I can see soldering points on JTAG connector. Sorry, my mistake. It was quite sealed back. But those are the points for writing, not reading. Reading it's here. Also it was read and write this ECU. Okay, what I will need the KT200 device or any other device which is able to read it as JTAG 7058. Starting with the pinout. Okay, I will go a little bit faster through this step, and then I will put the pinout and the information when I switch to the computer. Okay, too much flux everywhere, but I will manage. Okay, let's solder one by one. Green. I need white on top of the green. Then I need black and purple. grab the purple one. Then I will need orange. No, it's brown, not orange. Sorry, my bad. This is yellow. And this is orange. Yeah. Okay, what I will need else? I forgot I will need to give power on the front connector. Or at least it's a little bit simple. So I will need to provide the ground and the plus. So the ground it's here, and I will need to provide a plus 12 volts, which it's here. Want to go? No, I will switch. Okay. I will connect the plug. Let's power up the power supply. What we will need. And we can switch to the computer. Okay, this is the pinout used for reading. So on the bottom side I soldered the pin 1, 2, 4, 6, 10, 7 and 8. And I need to apply power on the front connector. Then I will go to driver, BDM stag mode. I will have only read, because right now it's only the reading. I will leave on 5 volts for the beginning and click on connect. Okay, remove and give power. If you recheck and reassure your all connections are properly made and not just assume, then it will work. As you can see, now we have data. But until now, it was only my mistakes regarding the connection. So I have it here, so I make Fluence Valeo V40. They will put tag micro read. Okay, we have the reading of the ECU. Now what we need is to prepare connection in order to write. Okay, now the ECU has been read. We will need to prepare the writing of the ECU. I will need a 120 ohm resistor. I remove this one. These powers are good, I hope. I will need only the multifunction cable, which is this one. Let's do like this. I need to solder here. Let's prepare my resistor. So I will need to solder here. I did not add any flux, my bad. It's a little bit hard. Remove the flat cable, which we use it to read the data. Let's say we read, and we really not only said we read the data successfully, and now we will use only the multifunction cable. Okay. And now I need this one, gray and red. I need purple and white. Oh my god. Now what we will do, if the multifunction cable is looking like this and we need to solder, well, at least me, I have a solution for that. I'm using this type of jumper cables, but this one are not good for this. The other type I will need to bring it up. Okay, where I find it, the others. So I have like this, but I need more than one. Check. Okay, I have found 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have enough. So I know I will need here to connect the white. It's visible? Yes. So I will prepare it. And what I will do, let's find, we have the white from the multifunction cable. Okay, one is done. We will need 3 more to go. The last one here. See, I have a red, a CNF1. Okay. Okay, for that, if it's a CNF1 from the multifunction cable, then I will use directly with the banana connector. I didn't notice. So soldering, we make the wire, we make the connection. CNF one, it's going here. In case you did not know, I need a violet. I don't think it's matter which one, and I need a gray with red. Gray with red. It's a gray only, a gray with red. Okay. So I have two more cables. One yellow and one. I will go with the black one. I don't care about soldering, really how strong to be, only to be able to perform this job. Here I will go white, gray with red. Here I will go the purple. It's still soldered, yes, of course. The resistor is there, the white is there. Okay, the KT device is connected. So I need to do tool, Renaissance, boot mode, and okay, here I'm able to write it. The same file back, and I will contact support. So I open the file. I just click on write file recovery. Okay, the writing process of this ECU is finished. Later I will need to rewrite again, demo. Okay, the writing process of this ECU is finished. Later I will need to rewrite again, demo off. Or today it's Sunday, so I will not get support from MD Flasher, I don't think. But in the next days, when I have the proper IMO off, I will write again the ECU. Until then, you can solder everything. Make sure you don't make any bridges like I do. Add some flux. Clean. And assemble the ECU back. Okay, no bridges. The pads are clean. Remove the extra cables, which I used only for this type of job. Put it back for the next. The resistor needs to be back in his place for later use. And that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe, like it, share, comment, and see you next time. Thank you, bye bye.